So this is my water video. This gives a brief idea of how I capture rainwater and then use it, and I use it very conservatively. So it's pretty simple, stupidly simple. It's just a 90-gallon rain barrel that's at the corner of the barn. So that's at the north corner out here. And then it runs through with a pipe, runs through this corrugated pipe here into this 270-gallon tote, which you can see right here. And then we have a 55-gallon barrel here, which is just an auxiliary barrel. That's my backup water. So what I do is on days that we process buckets, we'll run like 8 gallons total water out of the tote, put it outside, and I have a setup out there. But basically 8 gallons will wash 25-30 buckets, including lids, and then all of the grinder apparatus pieces, the parts for that. So it's been very valuable to me to have this as an asset, because I never liked the idea of running water. It just always made very little sense, and it never made sense to me to have potable water and then just cleaning things that you weren't even going to eat off of. So I used biodegradable soap. I used Dr. Bronner's soap, just the splashes of bleach, which degrades eventually. But all of that keeps everything, you know, nice and clean. The customers get a nice clean bucket when I drop off a fresh one. And I use bio bag liners, which help a lot too. So there's not too much, not as much to clean up, but for the most part, the bio bags have helped tremendously. It's cut down the washing time, and we require much less detergent now because most of the grease is captured by the bags and it just goes out into the compost pile, and they break down beautifully. So yeah, that's my very rudimentary water setup right here. So outside is the water washing setup, and we can only do this in the summertime, late spring, early fall, which is unfortunate. But basically it's using the sun to heat water. So over here I have 2 tubs, both black, and they have clear water in them right now, covered with greenhouse plastic, and that will heat the water up pretty significantly, like 120 degrees, which is great. I mean, if it's already 80 degrees outside, it doesn't have far to go anyhow. And then right here we have a new to me washing setup. This is my dad's construction, so we got this really nice stainless steel sink for like a bargain, even a fraction of a bargain. And then he built this whole caddy on wheels. See the wheels, wheels down there. So it's pretty slick. So there's lots more space now for us to wash things. If I could get a hose hookup for the faucet, that would be great. I'm still trying to figure out how to do that. But this is basically how we wash everything. It's pretty rough, but it works. And then we have over here, this is our drying rack essentially. So yeah, we come over here and you can see the rain barrel. So it comes off the roof up here, 90-gallon barrel, something like that. I have it pitched just perfectly. It took me a good 45 minutes to get that pitch perfect. And I haven't touched it since, because I'm not doing that to myself ever again. But it just runs into the barn and fills up whatever I need to be filled. So that's how I use water and collect it.